Real Wealth of Nations, Pathway to Human Development. This issue prepared by the UNDP contains data about the human development for 2010. The event, which was organized by the Foreign Affairs Ministry of Turkmenistan and UNDP and was participated by the officials of the Mejlis, ministries, international organizations and foreign diplomatic missions accredited to Turkmenistan, as well as the local and foreign mass media agencies. It is the fifth of such state-level event, and it is a great honor that one of them was held in Ashgabat. It speaks of the increasing high-level relations between Turkmenistan and international organizations.
We celebrated the launch of the 2010 Global Human Development Report here in Ashgabat, Turkmenistan. This was a great opportunity because for the first time the Global Human Development Report is introduced to the community here in Ashgabat in Turkmenistan.
Every year, the United Nations Development Program over the last 20 years issues a Human Development Report. It is a report that looks at all the countries in the world and summarizes questions, challenges of the development, but most importantly always aims to emphasize that human development is not only about economic growth, it is about developing the opportunities of all the people that make each country.
Today's presentation was a fantastic opportunity to bring together the government of Turkmenistan and the various UN agencies and other development agencies to discuss human development in general, and in particular the findings of this year's Global Human Development Report and what it means for Turkmenistan.
This year is a particularly important year because it is the 20th anniversary since we started issuing human development reports, and it was taken as an opportunity to give another hard look at our accomplishments in the global community. How much and how to continue the efforts, how much have we succeeded in reaching all individuals with greater, better health, better education and better higher incomes, not only average incomes in our countries.
Together with Ashgabat, the report is launched in places like Moscow, Nairobi, Montevideo, and for us it's a reason of great pride to be hosting this event in Ashgabat as the resident representative of the United Nations Development Program. Here, representative from UNDP New York, we had representative from UNDP, our regional center in Bratislava, and we had the opportunity to discuss the many elements that facilitate the production of such important documents of international importance.
I am particularly pleased to say that this launch was one of 5 that was happening the day after the launch that happened yesterday, and that was done by the Secretary General of the United Nations and the Administrator of the United Nations Development Program.
So one of the most important ways that we measure human development is through what we call the Human Development Index. And this index measures 3 important areas: health, measured by life expectancy, education, and also national income.
We will continue launching in the coming days, but it was a particular pleasure to launch the Human Development Report in Turkmenistan because we have also expressed a commitment that we will now renew a process of issuing human development reports for Turkmenistan in specific, which is also a custom that UNDP has issued already 600 national human development reports throughout the world over the past 20 years. And we look forward to have a few in Turkmenistan in the coming years as well.
The position of Turkmenistan in the Human Development Report are also reflecting the progress made in many areas, like a country free of malaria, a country without polio, and is reflecting the fact, as the president says, that Turkmenistan is a state that works for its people.
As UN Assistant Secretary, UNDP Assistant Administrator, UNDP Regional Director Kori Udavitsky noted, it is not only natural that Turkmenistan has been chosen as a place for the regional presentation ceremony of the Human Development Report, but it is explained with the fact that Turkmenistan carries out positive reforms to ensure better life and sustainable development of the country under the leadership of esteemed President Gurbanguly Berdimuhamerov.
In addition to that, for us it was a great opportunity also to discuss the progress that Turkmenistan is experiencing in many areas of social and economic development. We discussed the fact that Turkmenistan has improved significantly the ranking in the Human Development Report. Last year was in the 109 position, this year is in the 88th position, and that's a fundamental progress, and definitely we needed to discuss, celebrate, and exchange opinions about that. This, of course, is a matter of great importance. Particularly, we will also be opening the Olympic Village, that is representing one more effort of the government of Turkmenistan to improve the socio-economic conditions in which the Turkmen people live and work.
During this visit to Turkmenistan, to Ashgabat, I have had the pleasure not only to deal with human development in the context of the Global Human Development Report, but in my discussions with the President, we also noted how big are the advances that Turkmenistan has made in its development over the recent years, and how this is putting Turkmenistan now higher and higher on the list of middle-income countries, soon to become a higher middle-income country. And this means that Turkmenistan is able to, and it is very commendable, and we discussed, not only able but willing to also start helping and engaging with other countries in need itself. With the President, we discussed not only the further development challenges of Turkmenistan, which most of all involve the need for diversification and to ensure that the benefits of its hydrocarbons development end up reaching all peoples and all the corners of the country. But we also talked about how UNDP and Turkmenistan can partner to enhance the capacity of Turkmenistan to help other countries in need as well, which Turkmenistan is already doing.
Actually quite impressive. So this one indicator of the Human Development Index is gross national income. And if we look back to where Turkmenistan was in 2005 in terms of gross national income to where the country is today in 2010, we see incredible progress. Since 2005, the value of GNI, or gross national income, has increased by 44%, which is truly impressive.
I would, in this context, a particular advantage that Turkmenistan has is its neutrality, which it is not a self-isolation, it is a commitment to engagement with the rest of the world on a neutral foundation. And this also puts Turkmenistan in a particularly favorable position. And I want to congratulate the forthcoming Neutrality Day as well.
Of course, it's a pleasure for me to be here in Turkmenistan, particularly so to be here as part of this discussion today, to witness the progress that the country has made, but at the same time to look forward, both the short term and the long term. And of course, the wish is that the progress that's already been achieved by the government, by the people, continues and even accelerates over the coming years. So I express my full sincere wishes for continued further successful development.
Again, let me thank you to the government of Turkmenistan for this opportunity to discuss these important elements of international development here in Turkmenistan.
The speakers at the meeting noted that Index of Human Development shows that Turkmenistan, which follows the motto State for People, has gained a great and at the same time sustainable progress in all fields. As compared with 2009, Turkmenistan has occupied 22nd position at the world rating. Cooperation between Turkmenistan and UN shows that it has made a due contribution to the solution of challenges of the third millennium and serves for the cause of common development and prosperity. It has found its reflection in the speech on the strategy for the future by the esteemed President of Turkmenistan at the 65th session of the UN General Assembly.